Checking the thickness of your material is really easy with 300 series Pocket-Hole jigs. And you don't need a ruler or a tape measure. You don't have to be that exact. You just need the material thickness gauge that comes with the jig. Simply hold the jig along the edge of your material and it will show you what thickness range your material falls in. Once you know that range, you can set up the jig and drill bit. And you can do that using the matching numbers on the material thickness gauge. There's the 1/2 inch range, 3/4 inch range, and 1.5 inch range that represent common material thicknesses. There's also a 4th range that shows a little open book with an eye that refers you to an information chart in the owner's manual.